This video is going to show you how to do a simple calculation for the center of mass. To begin with, I've got two masses sitting on a massless stick, and I've got the distances from both ends labeled. Now the equation for the center of mass is the distance to the center of mass from a starting point is equal to one of the masses times its distance from the starting point plus one of the second mass times its distance from the starting point, and that process continues. All that is divided by the sum of all the masses. Now for your starting point, you can choose anywhere you want to. I could choose the left side of the stick, I could choose the right side of the stick, or I could choose the middle of the stick, or I could choose anywhere along the stick that I want to. So I'm going to choose the left side of the stick for this example. All right, I've grayed out the distances just to make some things a little bit easier to see. So I'm going to start as the left side of the stick, and that is where d is equal to 0. And now I need to measure the distance to my first mass, which I'm just going to call m1. And that first distance is 0.2 meters, and that's d1. Now the next distance I need is all the way over to the 4 kilogram mass from the left side, because that's where I started to measure everything from. So to find that, that's going to be 0.2 plus 0.5 to give me 0.7 meters from where I started. So now I know d1 and d2, and the masses m1 and m2 are on the diagram itself. So I'll just plug them into the equation. You can see that for the first one, that's where my distance comes from, and for the second one, the 0.7 meters, that's where that distance comes from. Then I do a little bit of math, and I get an answer of 0.533 meters. That means that the balance point, or the center of mass, is located 0.533 meters from my starting point, which is the left side.